Hello students, in this class we will see about the word problems, kind of higher order word problems of a quadratic equation, how to solve the word problems. Let's start. We'll see the first question. Divide 12 into two parts such that sum of the squares is 74. Solution is, we know there are two parts whose sum is 12, okay? Divide 12 into two parts such that the sum of the squares is 74. How do we start? There are two parts, they said, and their sum is 24. So let the required parts be required parts be x. And if one part is 12 x, the other part will be 12 minus x. Okay. According to given, sum of the square is 74. Therefore, x square plus x minus 12 minus 2x square is 74. Okay, open the bracket using a minus b whole square and try to get the quadratic equation for it. So x square plus 12 square is 144 minus 2ab. 12 2 is 24 into x, 24x plus b square is x square. Okay, you just write a reason here. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, then rearrange the terms. That is x square plus x square becomes 2x square. Let's write properly. 2x square minus 24x plus 144 minus 74 equal to 0. Then simplify these two. So the equation becomes 2x square plus 24x plus 70 is 0. 144 minus 74 is 70. 4 minus 4 0. 14 minus 7 7. Now take out 2 common because it is common in the terms. So 235 is a 0. So the equation becomes x square minus 12x plus 35 equal to 0. Please remember, if all the terms in the quadratic equation have equal factor, common factor, take it out so that it will make your job easy. Now we have to find factors for plus 35, first into third. Show that product should be 35 and addition or subtraction should give minus 12. That is a middle term. So 7 5 is 35 will come. Okay, 7 5 is 35. Minus 12 is needed. So both you put minus. Product will be plus 35. So here x square minus 7x minus 5x plus 35 is 0. Take common here. X of x minus 7 minus 5 of x minus 7 is 0. X minus 7 is common. X minus 5 equal to 0. Now we equate each of them to 0. We get x equal to 7. X minus 5 is 0. Then x equal to 5. Okay. The required parts. Now just check out sum of the squares. 7 square is verification. 7 square is 49. 5 square is 25. Just add that, you get 74. So your answer is right. Therefore, just conclude the answer. Required parts are 7 and 5. Okay, this completes the answer. The basic knowledge required here is to understand the word problem first. Okay, let's move on to the next question. The sum of the squares of two consecutive odd numbers is 394. Find the numbers. We are given two odd numbers squares and their sum is 394. So we don't know the numbers. So first assume the numbers. Let's assume the two consecutive odd numbers be x. When x is odd, don't say x plus 1 because x plus 1 means odd plus 1 becomes even. So here tricky is to get the numbers as odd. Consecutive odd numbers will be always in the form x and x plus 2. Similarly, it is similar to the previous question. So according to given sum of the squares of two numbers they told, right? So the numbers we got now x and x plus 2. Therefore x square plus x plus 2 whole square. Some syncing problem with the tab. Just bear with me. X plus 2 whole square is 394. It's as similar as previous question. Okay, so we just expand it by a square plus b square, a plus b whole square, that is x square plus 2 to the 4x plus 4 equal to 394. Write a reason a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, simplify it. Take 394 to the left side. 2x square, x square plus x square plus 4x. 394 left side it will become minus 394 plus 4 will become minus 390. Okay, then here we can take out 2 common. X square plus, please observe the quadratic equation. I always tell, if all the three terms has common factor, take it out so that your factors finding will be easier. Minus 2 1s are 2, 2 18 remain 19 remaining, 2 9s are 18. Sorry, minus has come there. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10. Okay, 195. Then the quadratic equation becomes x square plus 2x minus 195 equal to 0. Then first into third method, factors for 195. We don't know the factors here. So job is to find using the factor. See 9, 6. So 3 will go. 3 6 are 18, 3 5 are 5, 1 are 5 3 are. Okay. 2 should come. So 3 5 are 15. 15 into 13 will give the factors. Plus 2 is required. So put a plus for minus 15 and minus for 13. Verify here before you proceed. Plus 15 in minus 13 will give minus 195. Plus 15 minus 13 when they add plus 2, which is a coefficient of middle term, that is x we get. It should satisfy those two relations. Then you split it. Plus 2x split to plus 15 x and minus 13x. X square plus 15x minus 13x x square plus 15x minus 13x minus 195 equal to 0. Take the common here. X of x plus 15 minus 13 of x plus 15. Make sure you get the similar terms in the bracket. Otherwise it is incorrect answer. Okay. Take x plus 15 common. Remaining is x minus 13. Then equate each of them to the 0. Okay. So x plus 15 is 0, x is minus 15, x minus 13 is 0, x is 13. They asked the two consecutive odd numbers, right? So both we got odd. Let's get the answer for each of them. That is, if x is minus 15, numbers becomes x plus 2 becomes 15 minus 2 minus 13. So this is one set. Another set is if x is 13, okay, then x plus 2 will be 13 plus 2, 15. 13 and 15 are the other sets. Then x plus 2 equal to 13 plus 2, 15. Okay. 13 plus 2, 15. So the required set are either minus 15 minus 13 or plus 13 plus 15. Okay. We'll move to the next question. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. This is important question. Important in the sense just for our understanding. Here we are allowed to make more errors in this. Just pay attention and concentrate here. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. We don't know the numbers, so we can take the numbers x and y, right? Let the numbers be x and y. Okay. Difference of squares of two numbers they gave, that is x square minus y square is 180. Okay. Now here we can assume that which is greater number, x or y. Let the numbers be x and y, where x greater than y. X greater than y. So according to given, x difference of squares is x square minus y square is 180, and square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Square of smaller number means x square is equal to 8 times the larger number, that is x smaller number, right? Sorry, y is smaller, right? We assumed y is smaller, so square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Okay. Now we call these two as 1 and 2. Instead of y square, substitute x 8x in the first equation, you get the quadratic equation. That is, substituting 2 in 1, we get what we get? X square minus, instead of y square, we write 8x is equal to 180. Then take 180 to the left hand side. Okay. It will become minus 180. Then the factors for minus 180 we have to find here. What is the factor for 180? 6 3 is a 18, leaving 0. But 6 3 will not make plus 8, right? So 10 8 is a 18, will not get. Okay, 10 8 is a 18. Sorry, 10 8 is a 180, right? 10 18 is a 180. So difference will come 8. So we write 18 and 10. Minus 8 is required. Put minus to the bigger number, then plus here. Verify here. Minus 18 into plus 10, we get minus 180. Minus 18 plus 10 added, we get minus 8. So split the middle term, x square minus 18x plus 10x plus 10x minus 180 equal to 0. Take the common thing here, x of x minus 18. Okay, plus what is common? 10 is common, right? 10x and 180, we have 10 common. Take the 10 out, then we get x minus 18 equal to 0. Brackets look similar, so take that out. X minus 18 of x plus 10 is 0. Equating each to the 0, we get x plus 8 is 0, x is minus 8, x plus 10 is 0, x is minus 10. Okay. Come back to the question. We have to find the x and y, right? We got, sorry, x minus 18. Sorry, it is x minus 18 is there. Sorry, my mistake here. Minus and 18 and plus 18. Okay. So values for this is x plus 18, x minus 10. Since we have two numbers, we have to answer for each of them. If x is 18, what will be the y? Right? If x is 18, y square is 8x, right? We have the equation. We substitute in any of them. So y square is equal to 8x. Then instead of x, if x is 18, you write 8 into 18, 8 8 is 64, 1 carry, 8 1 is 8 plus 9. So y square is 90. Y square is 18. 18 8 is 144, sorry. 144. Therefore, y becomes square root of 144. That is, we know 12, plus or minus 12. Then, if x is minus 10, y square is 8x, 8 of minus 10, that is minus 80. Therefore, y equal to square root of minus 80. This is not possible because we don't have scope to find the negative square number. So, this is not possible. So, what is the answer? Let's conclude. Therefore, the required numbers are we have two sets here. What is that? X is 18 and y is plus or minus 12. So, either 18 12 or 18 minus 12. Okay. 18 12 or 18 minus 12 because y has two sets plus or minus 12. Clear? Okay. I hope you understood this. We'll go to the next question. We have another two questions in this class. By this we can complete the word problems of the quadratic equation. This is one of the important question here. It's a two-digit number such that the product of the digits is 18. So you need a fair understanding here, like what is a two-digit number. We know we have used many times two-digit number 20, 50, 23, 83, something like that. But here we need their position values actually. Okay, let us see. A two-digit number is such that the product of the digit is 18. So with this one, we need to understand like let the digits of let the digits of two digit number be x and y. Okay, let the digits be x and y. How does the number look like? See, the original number x and y, two-digit number. The number means we assume this x as tens place digit and y as units place. Therefore, original number is equal to 10x plus y, right? So, for your understanding, I'll explain here. If the number is 23, how do you write the place value? 10 into 2 plus unit place, right? So, this is what I gave. The digits are here x and y. 2 and 3 are x and y. If suppose, not here exactly, how do you write the position value for the digits in the number? This is how you write. Let's read the question again. A two-digit number is such that product of digit is 18. Digits we assumed x and y. Therefore, according to given product of digits xy is 18. Okay. Now read further. When 63 is subtracted from the number, when they say number, it's a original number. We have written it 10x plus y. When 63 is subtracted from the number, digit interchanges the places. Okay. Now the new, what is the new number when we interchange the digits? See, when digits are interchanged, when digits are interchanged means tens place digit will go to unit place digit will go to tens place. For example, if you take 23 here itself, 32, if you interchange the digits, how does they look? 10 into 3 plus 2 means your actual tens place digit will go to unit place digit will come to tens place, that gets multiplied with the 10. So your number becomes 10y plus x. Please understand this. Two-digit number question, it may come in quadratic equation also, linear equation in two variable also. This is the step. Okay. Now, again read. When 63 is subtracted from the original number, when they say number, it's original number. The digit interchange means we get the new number with the interchange digits. So we write a equation here. According to given, okay, according to given 63 subtracted, right? What from original number? So we write 10x plus y minus 63 equal to, we get the digits interchanged. Okay, remember. Now you take everything to one side and simplify it now. 10x minus x will come 9x. Y now y minus 10y will come 9 minus 9y. 63 we will push it. It will be at the right side. Okay. Then you take common 9 here. X minus y is 63. Why we take common 9 here? It gets simplified. See, 6 9 1 ja, 7 9 7 ja. Therefore, x minus y is 7. Basically, we need two equations here to get a quadratic equation. One equation is by the product of the digits. 18 is one equation and x minus y is 7. So, we can substitute for x or y value, x equal to 18 by y or y equal to 18 by x. Anything is possible. Substitute that in this x minus y equal to 7, we get it. Okay. That is, I'll substitute y equal to 18 by x. That is x minus 18 by x. Okay. X minus 18 by x is equal to 7. This how did you get? From 1. Okay. Now take LCM. X is LCM, x into x square minus 18 sorry, minus 18 is equal to 7x will come. Take that to left hand side, x square minus 7x minus 18 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Now find the roots for minus 18. 1 into 18 minus 18. 6 3 is 18, but will not add up to 7. 9 2 is 18. Yes, they add up to 7. So properly understand the integers here for placing the signs, otherwise it will be difficult part in solving the quadratic equation. Now you substitute that minus 9x plus 2x minus 18 is 0. Then take common here, x of x minus 9 plus 2 of x minus 9 equal to 0. Okay. Then what is common here? X minus 9 is common. Take out that 9, x minus 9, remaining will be x plus 2. So we'll write x plus 9 of x plus 2 equal to 0. So it's not written properly because the pen is the problem. Rewrite it. x minus 9 of x plus 2 equal to 0, equating each of them to 0, you get the x value. X plus 2 0 means x equal to minus 2. Okay. Now, what is the digits we need? Okay. Digits cannot be negative, right? When number can be negative, but digit will never be negative. Remember this concept. When we say minus 23, it is a negative 23 number. But 2 and 3 in the number are positive only. The whole number may be negative. Because for that reason, we drop the x equal to minus 2 value. Then the number becomes, since you write it, since digits cannot be negative, okay, therefore x equal to 9 is the answer. Here we got one digit, that is x is your tens place digit, right? So number will be what? The other digit we find by equation 1, that is, see, x equal to 9, xy equal to 18, right? So y equal to 18 by 9, 2. Therefore y equal to 2. So what is the number here we got? Therefore I'm concluding here, required number is, you got x and y digit, number is xy. If digits are x and y, number is xy, that is 92 is the number required. Okay, 92 is the number required. I hope it's clear. Please practice this. The only part to understand here is, when we assume the digits x and y, number will be 10x plus y. When we interchange the digits, it becomes 10y plus x. Rest as per the question you have to apply. Okay. We have last question to see in this class, which is kind of hard question. A takes 6 days less than the time taken by B to finish the piece of work. Means there is some work to be done by A and B. They have given the relation that A has taken 6 days less than the time taken by B to finish the work. But if both together they can finish the work in 4 days. Find the time taken by B alone to finish the work. So here we need to find the time in how many days B can finish the work. So let's assume here the sum goes like this. The solution goes like this. Let the time taken by B alone to finish the work be x days. Okay, x days. Then what is the time taken by A? They have given A takes 6 days less than the time taken by B. Therefore, we get the other part, time taken by A to finish the work will be 6 days less, right? So x minus 6 days. Okay, x minus 6 days. See, when B takes x days, say for example, B takes 5 days, then what is the amount of work done by B in 1 day? So it's 1 by 6, 1 by 5 days. Now here, since x days is the total days B taken to complete the work, in 1 day, how much amount of work B can complete is 1 by x. So we need that. Therefore, B is 1 day's work, or we can write, or work done by B in 1 day equal to 1 by x. Okay. Similarly, work done by A in 1 day is 1 by x minus 6. Okay. So we now write the equation according to given. Here very important concept is, together they finish in 4 days, they said. 4 days they complete the work means how much they do in one day? 1 by 4 day. 1 by 4 part of the work. That is 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 6 is 1 by 4. Okay. 1 by x minus 6 is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. This is the equation we get as per the given condition. Both figure A and B completes the work in 4 days. Now we take LCM and solve. How do you take the LCM? X of x minus 6 is the LCM. X, how many times x of x minus 6 is? You just leave the denominator at the remaining part. X minus 6 plus is there. X minus 6, how many times x of x minus 6 is? X times is equal to 1 by 4. Simplify and cross multiply. So 2x minus 6 by x square minus 6x is 1 by 4. Now cross multiplying we get 4 to the 8x minus 4 6 the 24 is equal to 1 times of x square minus 6x is same way. I'll take left hand side to right hand side. So equation becomes x square minus 6x minus 8x minus 8x plus 24 equal to 0. So on solving x square minus 14x plus 24 is equal to 0. This is the equation. X square plus 14 x square plus 14x minus 14x plus 24. Now we find the roots for plus 24. That is factors for plus 24. 12 2 is 24. 12 and 2 addition we give get minus 4. Product of minus 12 and minus 2 will get plus 24. So this can be written as x square minus 12x minus 2x plus 24 equal to 0. Take the common thing. X of x minus 12 minus 2 of x minus 12 equal to 0. So equate what is common. X minus 12 is common and remaining is x minus 2. Equate each of them to 0. You get x equal to 12, one answer. X minus 2 equating to 0, we get x equal to 2. Okay. So what is answer given? Question C, if both A and B together can finish work in 4 days, right? 4 days. A takes less than 6. 6 days less than B. Okay. If see here x is 2 means it is less than, together we have to avoid here 2 value. Why? X cannot be less than 6 days, because if you subtract x, if you take 2 as x, work done by A becomes 2 minus 6, that is minus 4. Nobody completes work in some any negative days, no, right? So we take here, we write, since x cannot be less than 6, we take x equal to 12. Therefore, what is the assumption here? We took B work completes in x days. Therefore, we just say, therefore, time taken by B, conclude that time taken by B to finish the work alone is equal to 12 days. Okay. I hope you understood this. It's the only thing to remember here is, once you assume the number of days for A and B, you have to write their work done in one day. That's very important, which is here in 1 by 6 and 1 by x minus 6. Then another point to remember is, together they finish work in 4 days they have given, but when you write a equation according to given, it should be reciprocal 1 by 4. Okay. Apart from that, you simplify taking LCM and get the quadratic equation, find the roots by factorization. Then if you get two values, you should know which one to ignore or whether to consider both, based depends on the question. Okay. Thank you.